You're about to go from this to this. You just need a few simple tricks up your sleeve in order to do it. Oh yeah, I'm Lyndon Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you. And also learn a few quick cooking tips along the way. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and start mincing up that garlic. We'll start off by removing the cloves from the head of garlic. There are a few different ways that you can do this. First, place the bulb with the root end on the cutting board. Press down with the palm of your hand until the cloves begin to loosen. You can use both hands to apply a little bit of extra force. If you're having trouble getting the cloves to break apart, another method I often use is to make a small incision between two cloves. Feel for the junction where the two cloves meet. There should be a small indentation here. And then cut into the peel, rocking the knife back and forth a little bit to loosen the cloves. Then place your thumbs into this spot and break apart the bulb into cloves. Once you've separated the cloves from the bulb, it's time to remove the peel. Cut and remove both ends from the clove. Place your knife on the top of the clove with the blade facing away from you and crush the clove onto the cutting board. The peel should have broken apart and will now easily slide right off. Carefully cut the garlic into thin slices and then continue chopping until your desired size is reached. It's easiest to do this with your dominant hand on the knife's handle, your non-dominant hand on the top of the blade towards the tip, and then work in a fanning motion, regrouping the garlic as you go. Use minced garlic immediately or store it in the refrigerator for up to an hour. Much longer than that and it will start to take on a rather bitter taste. And if you don't have one already, a garlic press is an absolute lifesaver and will mince up garlic in a fraction of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and link to the one that I use in the description box below. And if you want a little bit more help in the kitchen, make sure that you check out these other quick cooking tips. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.